So this is the brand new Honor Magic V5 and it has a gigantic screen. And with the gigantic screen, that also means we can multitask. So let me show you how to multitask with AI on the Honor Magic V5. What's up guys, Jason smashpop here, and with the big screen as I mentioned just now, right, Honor actually introduced 3-screen multitasking with AI and it's super easy to achieve. So let's start the video by showing you how to achieve this 3-screen multitasking. Okay, so the first way to do this multitasking with 3 screens, first we need to open one app and then we pull up the dock from the bottom and open the other app, pull it onto the screen. Now we have 2. And in order to open one more, we can also tap on the thing on top there and select Add and then pick our 3rd application. And now you get 3 apps side by side. So convenient, right? Now let me show you a second way on how to achieve the exact same thing. When you have 2 things on the screen already, you can also access a 3rd app from dragging from the edge of the screen. Like as you can see here, I'm dragging this onto the main screen and now achieving 3 screens on my phone. It's almost like having 3 bar phones on one phone. Crazy. Now when we talk about AI multitasking, of course we have to talk about Google Gemini, which is deeply built into the Honor Magic V5. So there are 3 ways that we can access or conjure, this new technology on our phones. The first way is by dragging it from the bottom corner of the screen, and that's how you bring up Gemini. Second way is to long press the power button on the side, and that's how you bring up Gemini. And the third way is more old school, but I think everyone knows how to do this. Go to the home screen, tap on search and type Gemini and just launch the app from there. So what is 3 screens multitasking with AI for? Let me show you some examples, okay? Actually, I have 3 examples to show you. The first one, in meetings. So as you can see, I'm in a meeting now. And to record the meeting, I actually use Honor Notes to record all the things that we discussed, and it will all be transcribed into text instantly. And with the Notes app, I can also use AI to turn it into meeting minutes point form, which is easier to consume. And with multitasking 3 screens, I can actually use Gemini to also create meeting calendar. So I don't need to open my calendar at all, okay?
And the calendar event for tomorrow 3 p.m.
I need a title for the event. What should I call it?
Concert.
Okay, I've added concert to your calendar for tomorrow at 3 p.m.
And with all these minutes of meetings, I can copy paste and share it to my friends or to every member of the meeting. Second scenario whereby you can use 3-screen multitasking with AI, buying grocery. So for example, your friends or your partner, your boyfriend, your girlfriend asks you to buy ingredients because you guys are working on this recipe together, okay? For example, salad. And then you go to the supermarket and then you see vegetables and they all look the same. So you don't know which one is which one and you don't want to go home and get scolded by your partner, right? So you launch Google Gemini, turn on the camera and just ask Gemini, "Hey Gemini, which tomato is best for salad?"
Both the cherry tomatoes and the larger tomatoes would work well in a salad. The cherry tomatoes offer a burst of flavor, while the larger ones provide a classic tomato taste.
"Hey Gemini, which one is cherry tomato?"
The cherry tomatoes are in the clear plastic container on the right side of the frame. They look perfect for a salad.
And that is how you find out which is the right ingredient for the food that you're making. And the third one, okay? Let me close this first because it's too big. Okay, the third one is finding the best deals for hotels. So for example, you are planning a trip to London for 4 to 5 days. And then you are looking at 3 different platforms, Trip lah, Booking.com lah, Agoda lah, and all the apps showing you lists of hotels and they have different deals and different pricing and you don't even know which hotel is good. So what do? you bring up Gemini, you screen share with Gemini so that Gemini can now see all the apps that you open using multitasking, okay? And then just ask Gemini, hey Gemini, can you find the best hotel deals here for me?
Sure, I can help with that. Are you looking for a specific type of hotel, or are you open to anything?
Anything.
Alright, I see a few good options here. The Royal National Hotel has a special discount, bringing the price down to £86. The other options are a bit pricier. Do any of these catch your eye, or should we explore other options?
What do you think of the Millennium Hotel?
The Millennium Hotel looks like a good choice. It's got a solid 8.1 rating and a nice discount. Plus, it's a bit more modern than some of the other options we've seen. Want to take a closer look at it?
And instantly, your assistant get to see all the results and they will tell you, you should book this one. Very good deal. This one more modern. This one more nice. I think you like this one. You just book this one. Like that. See, it's almost like you have a friend with you all the time. So, right, this powerhouse of a multitasking AI machine, it's all in this very thin hardware, okay? So when it's open, it is only 4.1 mm thin. It is the thinnest foldable in the world. Although someone just launched something recently and said they are very thin. No, this is thinner, okay? And when folded, it's only 8.8 millimeters, and it is still the thinnest foldable in the world. And people say, right, foldables battery very small one because the body very thin, cannot put very big battery. Wrong. Honor actually has achieved this, okay? They managed to put in a big battery of 5820 mAh into the Magic V5 and also give you super fast charging, which is 66 watt wired charging and also 50 watt wireless charging. Amazing. And then some people also say, I don't want to buy foldable phone because very thin they cannot put very good camera inside. Also wrong, because Honor also achieved this breakthrough, okay? Now they have a 64 megapixels periscope camera, 50 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel ultra wide camera, and a 20 megapixel selfie camera. Look at all these pictures here. Don't you think it's amazing? Not forgetting, since it's an AI phone, right, it is also supported by Honor AI imaging and also their latest Harcourt Studio visual effect for portrait photos. See sample. So now let's talk about maybe one of the most important features when we buy a phone, which is the hardware and also the design. So the Honor Magic V5 is very durable because it's using Honor Super Armored non-Newtonian inner screen. So the inside screen is the strongest in the industry, okay, with upgraded scratch resistant. And then this new Newtonian fluid technology is quite interesting. I actually managed to experience it during one of their demo, right? It's basically like a white liquid, like milk, okay? So when you shake the bucket, right, the water actually moves, right? When you put your hand inside, you just feel like it's water. But the moment you punch the water, it's like hard surface. It's like this. It's hard surface. And then when you slowly put your hand inside, it becomes water. So they are using this technology to be inside this screen. So if you don't believe me, you should believe the clip that you are watching now. And then the outer display is using Honor Anti-Scratch Nano Crystal Shield. So it has better scratch resistance from sharp edges like keys, and also better drop resistance from wooden flooring, marble surface, granite slate, smooth cement roads, and more. Other than that, the hinge is also improved. Now it's a lightweight and also very strong hinge, and is capable of withstanding heavy things up to 35 kg without even bending. If you don't believe me, I also managed to experience, okay, that they actually hang 3 of the Magic V5 up, okay, to carry very large sofa. And they also use one of these to hang a 35 kg dumbbell, and it also doesn't bend. Crazy. Now let's go deep dive and see what's inside the Honor Magic V5, okay? So it is powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, and also they have this Honor Titanium Vapor Chamber cooling system for a foldable phone that is the best foldable cooling system compared to its competitors, and the cooling performance increased by 53%. So when you are gaming, don't worry about it overheating because you're holding it like that also can. Even if you're holding it like that also can, like what you just saw, right? Gaming, I actually don't feel it getting hot at all. Okay, so I am done with sharing with you everything about multitasking on the Honor Magic V5, the hinge, the body, the screen, the camera. Now is the most important thing, the price and how to get it. So now you can get it for 6,999 ringgit, and it comes with a free gift up to 3,497 ringgit, including a Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 9 and 2-year quality assurance and 1-year crack protection. And pre-order starts today all the way to 24th July. And that also means you have worry-free warranty and also no need to worry about repair because everything is covered by Honor. If you want more information, you can check out the description below. And if you love me, not love me lah, okay? If you love gadgets, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the subscribe button. Follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop and I'll see you in the next video. Yo!